everybody, how are you? Welcome to the Decor Corner on the Jamaica Wedding channel. Now today what I'm going to do is an easy breezy do-it-yourself centerpiece that you can use for your wedding guest tables as well as for other important tables for your wedding. Now what we need for this centerpiece is a simple centerpiece mirror which you can purchase. It's really inexpensive. You can use it in square or round. 3 glass cylinders of varying heights, and what I have here is a 6-inch, a 9-inch, and a 12-inch glass cylinder, and what we call water pearls. You have them in a variety of colors. They're in clear, red, green, yellow, any color that you can think of, you can get the water pearls in. And what we have here, floating candles. These are 2-inch floating candles, and we have some floating pearls. As you know, the floating pearls come in a variety of colors also, as well as the water pearls. And what I've decided to do is that I'm going to use red and gold. We are preparing it for a red and gold themed wedding, and I'm going to show you how to put together this easy do-it-yourself centerpiece using these ideas. Now what I usually do first is that I put the pearls and the colors that I want to use in the container, in the glass container, and I normally try to put a variety of sizes in the container so that once they start to float, they really look very good when they're combined. So I try to use some big pearls along with some small and medium-sized pearls. And remember, our color scheme is red and gold. So there you have it, guys. So I put some beads in each of the containers so that once we start to float the beads with our water pearls, we get a really nice mix in the container. So after I put the beads in, then I'm going to actually put my water pearls in, and we're using the clear water pearls today. And the 1 pound bag usually looks like this, and you don't need to use all of this, and it's really inexpensive. So I'm going to put about a teaspoon of water pearls in each container. And guys, for the water pearls, please use it very carefully. Do not get them in your drains or near children. They can be very hazardous. So I'm putting about a teaspoon in each container. Just add a little more to the larger container. And then what we're going to do is to pour water on the water pearls to activate them. If you notice already the difference in the water pearl, and it actually attaches itself to some of the beads and they're starting to float. Right, this is what it starts to look like, if you can see it, and it's swelling and swelling. So within an hour, I'm going to show you what it looks like after leaving it for 1 hour. So this is what our centerpiece looks like after about an hour of letting it just sit a while and absorb all the water that we are putting into the container. To this now we are going to add our floating candles. There you go. And there you have it, our easy breezy, should I say DZ centerpiece. Very easy to do. You can even use one container by itself. Look at it, all the floating pearls are floating in the water pearl, and you have a mix of the colors. If you notice on the table we have a variety of other colors. You can use it to do any color scheme for your wedding. Once you put this on the table with your centerpiece mirror, and if you have votive candles, you can also add votive candles to the centerpiece. It's absolutely beautiful. We're going to show you in this video some finished product that we have already done with the floating candles on a guest table, but this is just a demonstration showing you how to do our do-it-yourself water pearl centerpiece. So there you have it, guys, our easy breezy do-it-yourself wedding centerpiece, just using about 4 main elements. So join us again for another episode on the Decor Corner on the Jamaica Wedding channel. Bye.